whichever grade you are in, it doesn't matter. If you know multiplication or division, you should know your divisibility rule. Because sometimes even for calculator also, you should know if you see a big number, whether that big number is divisible by all the numbers or not. Okay. So what are the rules? First, today we are going to take it from a smaller number and then we'll move forward with a bigger number. So let's take a smaller number, 360. Because there is a good thing about 360 number. We'll talk about it later. So what is the rule for any number to be divisible by 2? The number has to be even. All even numbers are divisible by 2. So what are divisible? What are even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8. The multiple of 2's are called even number. So if any number is even, it is divisible by 2. So if you see 360, is 360 an even number? Yes. So it is divisible by 2. Now what is the rule for divisibility rule for 3? The sum of the digit has to be multiple of 3. For example, 360, right? So sum of the digit at ones place, tens place, 100 place, because we only have 3 digit here. So we are adding 3 plus 6 plus 0. Okay? We are just taking the numbers. 3 plus 6 plus 0 is 9. Okay? Is 9 multiple of 3? Yes. So it is divisible by 3. Divisibility rule for 4. If you look at the number, and for example, if I take a bigger number, 4, 6, 2, 3, 8, 7, 3, 6, 0. Okay. Now this big number. Is this big number divisible by 2? Look at the last digit. It's an even number. It's an even number, so it is divisible by 2. Now for 3, you have to add 4 plus 6 plus 2 plus 3 plus 8 plus 7 plus 3 plus 6 plus 0. Add all the number. If that number is multiple of 3, it is divisible by 3. But for 4, you just have to look at the last digit. Last 2 digit. Okay. 60. Is 60 divisible by 4? Yes. So this big number or 360 is divisible by 4. Because last 2 digit has to be multiple of 4. Okay. Now, what is the divisibility rule for 5? You have to check the last digit. It has to be 0 or 5. 0 or 5. If last digit is 0 or 5, it is divisible by 5. So here 360, what is your last digit at ones place? 0. So this number is divisible by 5. Now what is the divisibility rule for 6? Any number, if it is divisible by 2 and 3, 2 and 3, it will be divisible by 6. So this number 360 is divisible by 2 as well as 3. It is divisible by 6. Okay. For 7, the rule is you take the last digit. For here it is 0. Double the last digit. 0 plus 0 is 0. And subtract from the rest of the digit left. So 36 minus 0 is 36. Is 36 multiple of 7 or 0? No. So this number is not divisible by 7. Now for 8, the rule is last 3 digits. Check for last 3 digits. So here we only have 3 digit number 360. If 360 is divisible by 8, that number is divisible by 8. For 9 again, the rule is same as 3. The sum has to be multiple of 9. So 3 plus 6 plus 0 is 9 and 9 is multiple of 9. So this number is divisible by 9. And if you did see for the 10, the last digit has to be 0. the last digit has to be 0. So this number is divisible by 10. For 11, the rule is that you take the alternate number, both the side, like even alternate number, odd alternate number, sum them separately and subtract them. If that result or the answer is multiple of 11, that number is divisible by 11. Okay. For example, 1, 2, 1. So alternate number is 1 and then 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. And 2 minus 2, 0. So this number is divisible by 11. Definitely not 360. Okay. But what is the divisibility rule for 12? The last one. It has to be divisible by 3 and 4. The number has to be divisible by 3 and 4. If you see a big number, the sum it, and if you see after sum that it is divisible by 3, check the last two digits. If it is divisible by 4, the whole big number is divisible by 12. Okay. So today let's just repeat again what are the divisibility rule for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. For 2, the number has to be even. That's it. For 3, sum the number. All the digit, whatever digit you see, sum them. And if that result is multiple of 3, it is divisible by 3. If number is divisible by 2 and 3, it will be divisible by 6. Check the last two digits. If the last two digit is multiple of is divisible by 4, the number is divisible by 4. Last is 0 or 5, that number is divisible by 5. If only 0, then it is divisible by 10. Sum it, and if it is all multiple of 9, the addition, it is divisible by 9. Last two digit 4, last three digit 8. And if number is divisible by 2 and 3, it is divisible by 6. 3 and 4, it is divisible by 12. And for 11, take alternate numbers, and if the addition of the alternate numbers, like even alternate number, odd alternate number, and subtraction of that, if it is multiple of say 11 or 0, then it is divisible by 11. So that's all for today's divisibility rule.